Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to mute people on the Discord. So if you want to mute anyone on your Discord, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the message box. Once you will do it, here you will see a list of the people added in your Discord. Once you will do it, simply you have to tap a while on someone name, and here you will see different options. So simply you have to click on mute conversation, and here you will see time. So you can select according to your choice. I select until I turn it on the back, and if you are on the laptop or PC, you have to right click on that person name and you will get the mute conversation or mute notification option. So these are the methods to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.